Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a look at how to register in X3. Okay, first of all, we suggest people use SafePal wallet. You can use any Web3 wallet as long as it's got OPBNB network, which supports OPBNB. Alright, so the minimum you need to have is 0.001 BNB. That's the minimum registration. But for registration for the gas fees, I just added 1 cent basically. 0.00101. Alright, you'll see that's 1 cent difference. So you're going to go to explore, and I copied the link already. It's number 4 that we're going to use. So we're going to paste it right at the top in your search bar, and then it will already be on OPBNB. Make sure the network is on OPBNB, and then you will press confirm. Now you will, if your wallet asks you to connect, choose the wallet connect tab and then choose your wallet. It should be a SafePal, but here you can see your referrer is number 4. That's the address, and then the amount is 0.001 BNB, and then you will just press on register, and you will confirm the transaction. You will see here it's less than $1. It's very, very small, the gas fees. That's why that 0.00101 is more than enough to register. Okay, and you will confirm. And there you go. Now it's number 36. To get your referral link, you will just scroll a little bit down. You get your referral link, you will copy it here. First thing that you need to do is refer your first 2 people. They will fall on your first level. That's very important. Otherwise, you will miss payments. Your first level, the first 2 on your first level will be normally your directs. Then the second level will be their directs, and then the third level will be spillover. Or it can be from their directs as well. But in order for you to fill your 14 positions, make sure that each one gets its 2 directs as soon as possible. Alright, thank you.